Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. Today's December 13th, 2020, and I'm kind of on a mission here of bass fishing and a very non-scientific experiment. So the other day, just a couple days ago, I fished this new pond and I hammered the bass. It was a lot of fun. I got a lot of good video, but they were small ones. There's one. Not too bad a one. Probably 19, 20 inches maybe. 19, 20 inches maybe. Now I'm gonna go fish the old pond and see if I can catch the same amount, but really more importantly, if I can catch any bigger ones. Just to kind of see if they like the old pond better or the new one. So let's go have some fun. All right, let's get her going. I'm using the exact same bait. Everything's the same. Look at all the vultures up there looking for a meal. All right, I made a big concrete pier here with scrap concrete as well. Try this spot out. Looking on the pond over there, and I got to get rid of this, at least half of this concrete. Trying to figure out what's good start at all. Man, no one home. There's one. Easy, buddy, easy. Wow, this is a different color than the ones on a new pond. This is more like a normal bass. No fin clips. All right, we'll take one. There's a hit. There's another one. Ooh, this one's a lot prettier. This looks like the ones on the other side. Ah, come on, easy. Beautiful. Another one. Easy, easy, easy. This is the original color of the bass in our pond. Again, I'm wondering if them ones that have all the black in them are the ones that I stocked, and the ones that are more green are the original residents. With fish.
Well,
They all went down to the bottom. What you got in the net there?
These
Bass?
are largemouth bass.
Little bass. All right. And home sweet home, our future largemouth bass paradise. A few different spots along the shoreline of this pond. Because I mean, it was loaded with bass, you know, to begin with. But we just didn't know if an otter. We did have an otter one year, and we didn't know how many were left, so that's why I restocked it. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. This is why we moved down here, right here, to have mild winters. I couldn't take the Wisconsin winters anymore. Between my lungs and joints and everything else, I just couldn't do anything outside. So here we are, mid-December, fishing open water. Nice. Right, I think this is going to be a good spot. That's not good. Freaking muskrat. I knew we had one. We got trapper coming. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, perfect. Come on, baby. Oh, there's a bump. Either that or I hit a stick. There's one. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, feels a little bit nicer. Yes. All right. Now we're talking. Oh, and he's a stronger one. Yeah. Good stuff right there. Not bad. Getting a little bit closer to what we want. First cast. Can't beat that. All right, now for a big one. Oh, I botched it. There's another one, a little tiny one. Ah. Go get daddy. Usually I don't get much on this side, but today's a new day. I actually took and dug this out with the excavator here, piled it there for kind of a contour and a little bit of a deep spot right there. Just make a nice deep fishing spot. Oh. Right in there by that log. Pretty little one. There's one. Oh, here we go. Not bad. It's got a little injury there from something. Another 17 incher or so. Not bad.